Welcome to Kev's Kitchen. Now what I'm preparing here is 4 chicken cutlets. I got some asparagus in there with a little bit of cheese. See, get a good look in there. Got a little pepper on there. There you go. Now I'm trying to try to, see how this comes out as a result. I'll let you know what it comes out, what it looks like. Welcome back to Kev's Kitchen. We done. I think the cheese was a little too much. Maybe some of the flavors in there. But as you can see, that's how they came out. Looks good to me. Asparagus don't look that dry. Hope I didn't cook them out. I'll let you know what it tastes like once I get all the smoke out of my lungs. Woo! Man, this fan ain't working good enough. So I'm gonna let this place air out a little bit. And I'm gonna go in there and eat, but Kev's Kitchen, where the chef is doing his thing.